Hey, good morning on Randy Hikes in Nature. Thanks for tuning in. I'm at Tinkers Creek State Preserve. Tinkers Creek State Nature Preserve. Let's check this out. Lovely little trail. We're south of the Cleveland metro area, and first impression of this trail is it does have some beautiful bird sounds. It is directly next to a train track, and secondly, I'm in the middle of nowhere as far as the trail, but the sign said no pets, so please forgive me for breaking the law. To be truthful, I did not do my due diligence in looking up my hikes today. I had a marvelous experience at a state nature preserve recently, and I took a brochure from that preserve, and I thought, I've got to do this again. Oh, listen to the geese. And I came here out of just an impulse. So often I have Ozzy with me, and I tend to follow the rules. So, but I'm in a new place, first time walking here, not at home. I think that I can act innocent. Very scenic, very shaded, very wide trail. It's packed gravel. Again, I did not read any reviews about this trail. I am walking in actually slip-on loafers. I have my boots with me and was intending to change, but when I saw the trail, I thought, my gosh, it looks so easy. Beautiful greenery all around. Beautiful, easy trail. Ever so slight gradient change. A lot of birds singing. Let's go check this out. Come here. Good boy. Oh yeah. This trail has a lot of it factor. Look at this bench. Waterfront bench right on this beautiful little lake. Excuse me, not lake. I would say it's more like a pond. Coming up to this pond, a deer ran right across the trail. It's very beautiful. If we look across the road, there's another pond back here. Can't quite see it. It's a beautiful little hike. Good look at the view. Another beautiful little body of water. Yeah, this trail is really nice. Lots of shade. Very good surface. While I was looking at that pond, a hiker passed me by. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, lovely. You can hear the road noise, but nah, there's definitely a kick here. It's very nice. It is a very nice place. Little frog just jumped in. A little bit muddy back here. Another frog. Oh, look how beautiful. There's a little deck over there. Another frog. Oh heck, let's go check the deck out. Come on. Water on the left, water on the right. If I were in Florida, I would be very looking out for the alligator. I don't think I have to worry about alligators in Ohio. No. Let's see. Oh, good boy. He knew instinctively to go up. Oh, yeah. Sunrise here would have been incredible. So I highly recommend anybody who hikes here to come when the sun rises, because look, the sun's been up for probably hour and a half. It's still a magnificent view. Oh yeah, this place is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. How beautiful. It's incredible. love Ohio. Absolutely incredible. And to the right is another body of water. Yeah, sunrise here would be incredible. I would definitely recommend this area, this trail, for somebody who maybe doesn't have the stamina to walk a long distance, but wants something with a lot of pizzazz. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. This has pizzazz. So, now it looks like there are longer trails that are attached to here. I'll try to find a trail map and post it. But this is absolutely fabulous place. Yeah, I found a little trail that winds around pond, and there's ponds actually on both sides. Lots of birds, lots of nature. This trail is very very smooth, very easy. And I had passed a offshoot trail on the way out, which I did not take. I assume that this is that offshoot, making this a absolutely brilliant trail. And there's other offshoots you can take. Actually, Ozzy is a little bit under the weather today, and I had not even planned on hiking, but I knew that this would get his spirits up, because he loves to hike as much as I do. But we're just going to take it very easy today. I've hiked just over 2.5 miles. I might hike, well, I'll hike back, but this is probably it, at least for Ozzy. I may go again, but he needs to go home and rest. This trail definitely has the it has the oomph factor. If I lived in the area and was a young fellow with a girlfriend, I think that this would be a very romantic place to come. Beautiful views, beautiful scenery, and privacy. Young love. Onto a beautiful boardwalk here. Yeah, I'm relatively sure this does wind back to the offshoot that I saw. And if not, I'll circle back. Plan not to plan. So that's the way we've came. Little bench here. Looks like they had a boardwalk continuation here, but they've closed it. But let's get back to hiking. So this morning I was a little bit, definitely not a mood that I'm usually in, and had not planned to hike, but I thought, why not at least get out and go on a short hike? And I'm so glad I did, for myself and for Ozzy. We both needed it. And as anticipated, this does come back to the road. So we have about a, I don't know, half mile, 3/4 of a mile hike back to the truck. So very awesome little trail. I very much appreciate you watching my videos. I really do. I can't say that I would not still hike without you, but my whole purpose is to hope that it inspires some people who maybe aren't active, or maybe who are stressed, or who are wanting to get back into nature, to get into nature, because honestly this is very grounding out here. So again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep hiking.